On today's video, I'll show you how to keep your Shiloh cabinets clean and beautiful for a long time. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. Here we go. The first thing you want to do to keep your cabinets looking beautiful is to keep them nice and clean and dust free and moisture free. So immediately wipe up any spills that could happen in the kitchen, of course, especially in areas near the sink or the dishwasher. I pay special attention at my house to the trash cabinet, as this cabinet, because we go to throw trash away with our wet hands, this cabinet tends to accumulate water right on the edge of the door. So this is a cabinet that I personally at my house pay special attention. It also gets dirt on it, so immediately when I see it, I go in and I clean it with a damp cloth. If that doesn't work, I try a little soap and then I pat it dry immediately. Shiloh recommends that if you want to clean, near the hood area where you might be accumulating some of the grease, normal grease, from the kitchen around the stove area, you want to use a solution of mild soap, no dyes, in warm water to clean it. Again, with a lint-free cotton cloth, just so that you don't scratch the surface. You want to wipe that clean and then pat it dry immediately. Another thing that you don't want to do with these cabinets is to hang wet towels, the hand towel, on, let's say, the dishwasher panel, if you have a decorative dishwasher panel in your kitchen. You also don't want to do that to your sink-based cabinet. One of the areas where this is more visible is if you hang wet towels, you put that towel right on your cabinet doors. That might not be a good thing because that moisture is going to seep through the cabinet finish and wear that finish. You also want to keep a close eye on steam. Steam is really bad for cabinetry. The steam from your coffee maker, if you put the coffee maker right under your wall cabinet, that causes damage to the cabinetry and also to the light rail trim. This happened at my own house with my old cabinets where I had the coffee maker go under the cabinets, and sure enough, soon I saw it peeling and I saw it bubbling the finish. So steam is really a bad thing. So get that coffee maker out and don't let that steam hit the cabinets, as it will cause damage over time. Another thing that you don't want to do with the cabinets is use abrasives. And that includes my best friend, which is barkeeper's best friend. No powder, soft scrubs, or anything like that, as they will be harsh on that finish. And eventually, the use of it will scratch the surface and cause problems. In my cabinets at home, all I do is I take the dust off and I take the dirt that I can see, I take that off, take the grease off, and I pat the cabinets dry, and I really don't do any kind of polishing. I don't use furniture polish on my cabinets because I want them to last. I'd rather not use any of that. No Murphy's oil, none of those. And especially Shiloh says not to use anything, any polish with silicone in it. Shiloh says not to use is any kind of Brillo pads or scouring pads because those abrasives are too strong. Final thoughts. With Shiloh, they paint wood. So when you get a painted finish, it is on maple, or they do poplar sometimes, but for my kitchens is usually maple. It is a living wood material that has been painted. It is very normal to get some little hairline cracks with the moisture, and especially if the home is not acclimated, meaning that you keep it, in the winter time, you keep it nice and toasty, the moisture level is right, like you keep it so that the house is acclimated. The wood used to be a living thing, and it will move and shift. I hope that you learn a thing or two on how to care for kitchen cabinets, and especially the Shiloh cabinets. If you see any value on the videos I'm producing, I ask you to subscribe, like, and share. And also come back next week as I will have another video. And I am on my way to becoming your favorite kitchen designer. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you again next week. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye.